Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about the books. Yes, the books that helped me grow in my personal and professional life. I hope you enjoy it and it's useful for you. Hi everyone, my name is Dalia and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about one of the books that really helped me throughout this data science bootcamp. As you know, I'm a nurse by background, but I'm doing my bootcamp in data science. I've started 2 weeks ago. I've done data science kind of bootcamps before, but I was always like a kind of an analytical translator where I bridge the gap between the clinicians. I'm a clinician and the data scientist, and because I had a master's in public health, it was really easy for me to understand the problem and go throughout that and build kind of a process to do it. But you know, I always wanted to learn more how to code and how to actually do the modeling. So here we go, I'm doing it, and it's been 2 months and I've learned so much. So I wanted to share with you one of the resources that I've been using a lot. And this is the book, Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-Learn and Keras and TensorFlow. This is not a very easy book, I'm gonna have to be honest with you if you are just starting out. But I find it easier to follow because I really like the way that they explain through a project base. So they always have like a project, and you can go on GitHub of the author, which is Aurélien Géron. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is not the best, but you can go and find his project on GitHub, and you can follow each step-by-step project on the specific algorithm or machine learning technique that you're trying to do. Well, the most way that I use this book, I have to be honest, is through basically I have my classes, they explain on the classes, and then let's say I have a project to work on and it has a specific algorithm that I have to use. So what I do is I go back, and after class I go and read the module of the book, and then I try to follow as I go along. It really helped me because I'm adding a few things on my exercises that I don't really knew about, but also to make some add-on in terms of like, you know, the risks and the bias and the risks that it has for your data to overfit or underfit and all the other things that I don't know about yet. But the most useful for me that I've used and endless times is this one, end-to-end machine learning project. So what it teaches you, this is chapter 2. I don't know if the earliest version is the same, but what I like about this chapter is basically you can follow, you can use it for your own projects. So what I do is once I have a project to do, I just follow this. I just follow the order. There's a few things that I'm not too sure and it makes me quite confused yet, but I just find it easier. So the first step is for you to look at the, you know, working with real data. So, you know, what's the big picture? How do you get the data? How do you discover and visualize the data and gain insights? How do you prepare the data, select the model? How do you fine-tune the model? And how do you present the solution and launch, monitor, and maintain your system? So obviously, you know, initially you're not going to need anything that is here, but it's really helpful for you to go through it because it makes you think about things that you haven't thought before. So I find it really useful and really helped me since my first project, really. I'm not going to say that I understand everything that is written here, but I think it's getting easier and easier and easier as more projects I do, as more machine learning algorithms I test. So I really find it useful. So I would say if you really want to be, you know, a top expert on these types of techniques, I would recommend maybe buy the book or the ebook. I left the link down below. If you use this book, you know, share with me, you know, what tips do you have? What, you know, did you enjoy it? Did you find it difficult to follow? And if you have any other books that you recommend for me to check out, just, you know, put it on the comments below. I would be very grateful if you share with me the resources that you used when you're just starting out, and maybe perhaps it will help other students as well to find other useful resources. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that was helpful. And to me, this is gonna be still one of my Bibles, so I'll just carry on using it. But let me know what your resources do you use, and maybe perhaps we'll find resources that help each other. See you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. And I hope that in 10 years time, when I see this video, I will have much more insights on how this data science works, and hopefully a little bit more better and more proficient on the data science stream and artificial intelligence, and to do more models that perhaps will help the nursing and the healthcare in different ways. So see you next time. Take care. Have a lovely day.